Welcome back, guys. So I'm here again with Afsisterwig. Same packaging. You know, for a very long time this has been the packaging for the most part. You know, it's pretty simple and sleek, so you know, no problems with that. First thing, as usual, we're seeing is the wig. For you know, the goodies that are inside, I got a pair of wig caps, edge brush and comb, you know, a little section clip, and some hairpins, and that's everything. Okay, guys, so this is the wig we're working with today, and I'm so excited to get into it. Oh my gosh, these curls look so good. It's like a nice little deep wave vibe, and it's a natural color. But what's so special about today's wig is that this is a newly launched Swiss lace invisible strap 360 lace wig. Okay, yeah, as you can see, this is a Swiss lace, and it's a invisible strap. Now this is the first time I'm working with this. Usually, you know, you have the adjustable straps in the back here, but no. Oh my gosh, you actually can pull this and it's tighter. Wow. Okay, this is brand new to me, and it's invisible, so you really can't really tell what's going on so easily. You'd really have to be up in the person's head. This is so nice and discreet, and it's gonna come off so realistic. So this is what's in the back of the wig. Wow. They also attach this extra elastic band on the inside of the cap, and there's a total of 4 combs on the inside of the cap. The lace is already customized as usual, which it's already, you know, pre-bleached and tinted. Looks so good. It's a 13x4 spacing, and honestly, I'm loving it. Wow. You know, as usual, it is plucked, pre-plucked to perfection. It looks really nice and realistic. I can't wait to go and put this on. You see that? Yeah, that's looking so good. Versus other 360 wigs where, you know, sometimes it stops at the ear portion where you have the lace. This is all around lace. If you notice, in the mid portion here has like that regular cap look, but even in the back of the wig has lace, and around here has like baby hairs. So you know, you can make things look even more natural. And if you want to go in and pluck it further, like in the back, you can. But everything looks really, really realistic. So they really did their thing on this wig and upgraded the entire quality. And I'm so excited to go ahead and get to it. Before I move on to installing this, what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut away the lace in the back, because it's way easier to do it while it's off your head rather than on your head. I've never cut away the excess lace while it's on my head, so I'm just gonna take my time and cut around that area. Be careful not to cut the hair. So alright, so I'm gonna do the ball cap method, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the extra strap on the inside to slip the wig on. I won't be gluing down the back. You could literally just use the straps in the back to, you know, pull them, tighten it in order to make the wig like more snugged on your head. And right now I'm just kind of like measuring up the hairline and seeing how everything will look. So I did cut it off really nice and exact in the back, so you see I don't have any like lace to cut off now at the sides because I already removed it initially. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get my glue, which today I'm gonna be using my Erica J. I don't need an extreme, well, this is still a great glue for a great gold, you know, but you know what I mean by extreme, like Manix glue. I showed you guys it before. When you want to go like crazy with the gold, that's the glue to use. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna do one layer of glue. It's looking really good. We're gonna fix the parts where it's a little bit, you know, not fully dried down, but one layer of glue and spray, and it looks really good. All I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut away the excess lace. Good. So really, you know what, Swiss lace is always gonna look so bomb. I'm not gonna do no baby hairs today. I'm not. I'm just gonna give it a nice pull back vibe, and I left out just a few strands on the sides here for a little swoop, a little sideburn action. Nothing too drastic. I'm gonna be using this argan oil lace tint mousse, medium brown is what I got this in. So it comes out brown like this. It's the first time I'm actually using this product. I've had it for a while and I just didn't get around to using it. So this is really good if you want to use the whole mousse vibe to form your edges, if it is that you decide to do edges. And I just want like to do a soft like swoop. I don't want it to be hard, so that's why I'm not using gel. I don't need to go in with that anywhere else. Take a little bit of my wax. Everything's gonna be pulled back, so what you want to do is, what I do for the back is I take the comb that is in the back there and I stick it in my hair, and you just want to pull it down so it's not too tight, and then I'm just gonna do a ponytail. So even after you do the ponytail, like, you can readjust the back. I'm gonna do a high ponytail. Okay, so that looks good, right? So all you want to do is take the back, and I take the comb and kind of just push it in. And if you feel like you need to be like more secure there, you could take pins. So that's how that looks. You see how snug it is, like, and of course, you know, you can do it messy. Like, I prefer to do it messy, like in the back whenever I do this method, because honestly, I don't necessarily like to feel glue on the back of my head. I really don't. Isn't it cute? I really don't. So I don't usually do like glue it down. The only way I'm gonna do that is probably if I go to the hair salon and have somebody else do it. So because I don't know, I ultimately really don't like the feel of glue on the back of my head. So that's just me. So I prefer to do this glueless method, and it really works. Like, it really does work. So I just have this out, and it's so cute. So you see that it looks pretty good. It looks very realistic, and you could definitely go ahead and pull down the baby hairs that it comes with in the back to make it even look even better. So that's our goal now. Listen, everything about this wig is a 10 because listen, no edges needed. You really don't even need the sideburns. I just wanted to do a little razzle dazzle, and ultimately today I said, you know what, let me go ahead and give them a nice little fully pulled back like hairline install with this 360 wig. So yeah, this is so cute. If you want, you could go ahead and, you know, the usual, I love to do this little cute bun. Ooh, that's so nice. You could literally do that little cute bun there. Nothing like a nice messy bun, like, who? Okay, I love it. Let me know what you guys think, because yeah, it's literally not even hard to work with. As you can see, you see the little over here, yeah, it's not hard to work with. It's so easy, to the point. Guys, don't mind the two lashes on my eye, like listen, I'm just letting them do them thing. Everything else fell out and we're giving our eyelashes a break. Okay, anyways, yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. This wig is a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. Shedding is on a minimal level. The texture of the wig, like, it feels good. It's soft. It's very lightweight as well. Very, very manageable. And the install, it was really easy for me to work with. The lace is very, like, realistic, as you can see. And I love it. I really do love it. If you're looking for a bomb 360 lace front wig, this is definitely one of them. Okay, so you could go ahead and check out my description box for the direct link to this wig. Shout out to Afsisterwigs once more for another bomb wig, and thank you guys for watching. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.